Hi, I'm Jack Shannon. Let's talk about capacity. Car dealers know what kind of cars they have on their lot. They know what cars are on order and when they're coming in. In fact, they know what other dealers have on their lot. Grocery stores know what's on the shelves. They know what items are moving quickly, which items are moving slowly. They know what's on order, when they have to order replenishment, so the shelves stay full. Why do car dealers and grocery stores know this? Because this is what they sell. This is what they manage. Manufacturers sell capacity. Do you know how much capacity you have? Do you know how much open capacity you have right now? If you think you know these answers, can you prove it? Would it be easy to prove? Many manufacturers can't answer these questions accurately. In this blog, I discuss how you can start managing your capacity so that you can answer those questions. I hope you enjoy it.